Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brett. This is City Boy Camping. With me I have Duke and Casper, my two dogs, and we're taking off here to one of our local lakes. What is going on, guys? We just pulled up out here. We're at Keystone Lake over here, kind of like a local one for us that we come to quite a bit, and we thought we should come out, check it out, how it's going. We're almost to springtime, so it's almost a peak camping season. Oh, you hear that truck? It's a little cloudy out today, huh guys? I only had one leash, and luckily it had a clip on each end. Good morning. Ooh, good morning, good morning. We called it a night early. We didn't do too much. We went on a little walk yesterday and hung out around camp, had some dinner, watched a movie. The doggies are all snuggled up. I got some more lights set up, a little strip, which is pretty nice. I'll get these other ones turned on here in a bit, but yeah, I think we'll be hanging out here this morning. We're gonna get some coffee as usual. The old coffee grinder right here. We got some Pete's coffee. I like these coffee beans. I was already like laying down watching a movie when the sun was just going down. We'll probably cut all this grinding part out. Get those grounds. It's coming along.
Over what you get out of it. You know, don't let it get you down on how many views that a video gets. I have many.
Alright, we got all packed up and now we're coming. They did open up the red carpet area, which is usually closed during the winter. So they just opened that, I think, on March 1st. So we're just gonna go down there. That's usually kind of the spots we go to, but we just want to go down, take a look, see what it's looking like. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. We're going to put out a short one this time. That was a quick overnighter to our local lake. We're basically planning a nice trip coming up this week. We're going to have really nice weather, and we are planning to leave the state. So stay tuned to find out where we end up going, and we will see you guys back soon. Thanks again for stopping by.